Hello and welcome to our special coverage of the Union Budget 2025. On Saturday, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented a forward-looking budget that aims to propel India towards sustainable economic growth while addressing key challenges and opportunities across sectors. Let's dive into the highlights of this year's budget, which has been hailed as a roadmap for a resilient and inclusive future. The Union Budget 2025 is centered around three core pillars: economic growth, sustainability, and sector-specific reforms. With a clear focus on post-pandemic recovery and long-term resilience, the government has laid out a comprehensive plan to boost infrastructure, support innovation, and ensure equitable development across the country. One of the standout announcements is the allocation of a staggering 10 lakh crore rupees for infrastructure development. This includes a major push for rural road networks, the expansion of smart cities, and green energy projects. The government aims to bridge the urban-rural divide and create a robust foundation for sustainable growth. In a move that will bring cheer to millions, the government has introduced new tax slabs to provide relief to middle-income groups. Additionally, small and medium enterprises (SMEs) will benefit from a reduction in corporate tax to 22%, a step designed to boost entrepreneurship and job creation. Recognizing the critical role of technology in shaping the future, the budget allocates 50,000 crore rupees for digital infrastructure. This includes initiatives to foster artificial intelligence, data analytics, and other cutting-edge technologies. The government's vision is to position India as a global leader in innovation and digital transformation. Healthcare receives a significant boost with 1.2 lakh crore rupees earmarked for the sector, particularly focusing on rural areas and mental health services. This allocation will enable the creation for more healthcare centers and provide better access to quality healthcare for underserved communities. The budget's emphasis on artificial intelligence is not just about building infrastructure, but also about fostering a culture of innovation. National initiatives will be launched to train and equip individuals with the necessary skills to navigate the world of artificial intelligence, ensuring that India remains competitive in the digital era. Education remains a cornerstone of India's long-term growth, and the Union Budget 2025 recognizes this. By increasing funding for education by 20%, of particular significance is the enhanced on STEM education. As part of this initiative, the government plans to collaborate with educational institutions and industry leaders to ensure that students are equipped with the skills required to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. From coding to advanced robotics, the budget aims to create an ecosystem that nurtures talent in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other emerging technologies, building a workforce ready for the future. Sustainability takes center stage in this year's budget, with substantial funds allocated for clean energy projects like solar and wind power. Additionally, businesses will receive incentives to adopt eco-friendly practices, reinforcing India's commitment to combating climate change and achieving its net zero targets. Experts are calling this budget a balanced mix of growth-oriented policies and social welfare measures. While the focus on infrastructure and technology is expected to drive economic momentum, and the emphasis on healthcare, education, and sustainability reflects a commitment to inclusive development. As citizens and businesses digest the announcements, the Union Budget 2025 is being seen as a bold step towards building a stronger, greener, and more prosperous India. That's all for our special coverage of the Union Budget 2025. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and updates.